Welcome to Grow Overload. I'm Anthony, and this is an unboxing of the Fractal Meshify 2 Compact. This is the case that my friend build is going to use, and I figured to take a quick look at it. I've been a fan of Fractal's cases, even though I'm using a Corsair one right now, my main rig, and I've had a couple other ones, but this is my first Fractal case, and it comes pretty well packed so far. There wasn't actually too many dents on the box. You can see I've already sliced the top open. I haven't opened it up already, but this is a light gray tint. This is a little bit on the box. It does have, you know, a little bit of product specification here as well. Go check out their website to get all the details on it. You know, shipping, you know, is a little bit of scuffs here and there, but it's not too bad. So if we open up the box here, and you can kind of maybe see, it does a pretty good job shipping overall. So let's take it out. Not bad. It's just standard foam. It's not any expensive foam like that, but it comes pretty well packed. This is upside down. So this is the bottom of the case, but they did pack the front panel in well. That's actually a nice piece of foam. I'm actually kind of excited to build in this case. So it has instruction manual here that you can hopefully decide to, hopefully it's focusing. I actually can't see this in this current setup here, but hopefully that is good. Got the little bit there to see. Here's the other foam piece, and let's see here. Yeah, I'm actually excited to build in this case. A lot of fan room in this case, so multiple ones at the bottom here. It looks like here it's kind of dented up a little bit. Just the sleeve plastic that you're gonna peel off. You have the glass. You have this is your front, and you can kind of see you have two fans in there already. My friend bought quite a bit of fans, so I get to put in a whole bunch of fans. He has a Fractal Celsius S360 cooler for that 5900X. You have the front buttons on top here. You have your power button, then you have your reset button, Type-C, headphone, and mic. I like the split on there, and then two USBs, as well as that USB-C there. Mesh panel on top, which might come off, I'm not sure. The bottom does have rubber feet, and then a nice mesh there on the bottom. And if we look at the rear side of this, you have your power supply shroud there, your slots, and everything to go there. So now let's see how this goes. Does this just slide off? Oh wow. That is really nice. I like how they did that. So that's just a nice little latch there that you can go on, and then you can just slide this open. Oh. Kind of like how they did the inside of the case here. You have rubber grommets there, and there to come in. Wow. there's actually quite a bit of building room in here as well, so that's nice. Here is the backside. You have your cable management up there, your front panel I/O. There's actually rubber standoffs for the power supply. So this will be a nice build once it's all said and done. I'm excited to build in it here as well. Excited to see what my friend thinks of his computer once it's all said and done. And I will let you guys know how this case really builds. Let me know if you have any suggestions for this case when building with it. It'll be a couple more days before I get the build done, but he does have the 5900X. He has the motherboard if you haven't checked out that video as well. That is here with this, but then he's got a Seasonic power supply along with a Fractal design Celsius S360 with he's gonna have some, how much RAM? 32 gigs of DDR4 and then 2 terabytes of the Samsung 980 Pros in this build. So it's gonna be a pretty cool build. Now you might be wondering, you didn't mention a graphics card. Yeah, well, yeah, I wish I could get a graphics card, or I wish he could get a graphics card. One of the two. Neither of us have been able to snag one for a reasonable price, and that's where we're kind of at. So until that happens, it's really gonna be, he's gonna use his old Vega card until that happens. But he's looking to try to get a 6800 XT or a 6900 if it price is right. Overall, he was just looking for the 6800 XT, but we've seen the 6900 in stock just not long enough at MSRP to actually buy it. Or finish the checkout, I should say. So with that, let me know what you think about this case overall, or I should say more suggestions in building in it. I'm excited to see how it is to build in here. I'm going to take a look at some of the instructions so I do it all right, but it looks like there's certain things you can do with the radiator routing, with the grommets, with all this to really make it nice and cable manage. You have some of the Fractal fans, and he's got some more of the dynamic X2 GP 14s PWMs as well. So we're going to put those in there and use that, and hopefully it is, we got a box of stuff here as well for the Meshify 2, which is, okay, that was nice of Fractal, labeling everything out right off the bat so you know exactly what you're getting into. Good job, Fractal, on that. So it'll be a fun build. I'm excited to build this for him, and hopefully it will go well. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.